Crime investigation. Student Elkin Hernandez. What was the crime? The crime was that they robbed the National Bank. Description of crime scene. Thieves entered the National Bank and threatened people with weapons. The thieves asked people to go to bed in silence and escape the manager for money. What was the evidence? Physical evidence was found at the scene, such as cigarette butts, a cup of coffee with market listed, cell phone record to identify the suspects. What was the evidence? Another important evidence is the testimony of the shopkeeper, which does not match the testimony given by the security guard to the authorities. Which of the suspects do you consider was guilty? Version of the witness indicate that the security guard lied and was in the bathroom at the time of the robbery. And given the evidence, the suspect that I consider guilty is the security guard for lying in his version of the facts and not having been in his workplace at the time of the robbery. Thank you.